Last week, we showed you how to take a picture on an iPhone. Today, we will show you where that picture goes. On your home screen, find the app that says Photos. It is a colorful flower. Once you've found it, select it to open up the next screen. So mine's over here in the top right-hand corner. Along the bottom, there are 4 tabs: Photos, For You, Album, and Search. Photos shows you a complete list of all of your photos. You can browse by years, months, days, or all photos. These buttons are along the bottom of the screen. For You is a curated selection of photos and videos that your iPhone has deemed memorable or important. Albums includes albums that you've created and a collection of different types of photos or videos. For example, you can scroll down and see what videos I've taken or photos I've taken in portrait mode. Let's create a new photo album so we can keep our photos organized. There's a plus button in the top left-hand corner of my screen. I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to select New Album. Now you can enter in the name of your new album, perhaps family photos or garden pictures, for example. I'm just going to type test. Once you've typed in the album name, tap Save. Now you can go through and add photos and videos to this album. So you can click on any pictures you'd like and you'll see the blue check mark that indicates that you are now including this in your new album. Once you're satisfied with the amount of photos and videos that you've added, you can select Done. You've now created a new photo album, which you can see here, my test album. If you find a photo that you'd like to add to an album, you can do that too. So first, find the photo you'd like to add. So I'm going to go back to the Photos tab along the bottom to find my photo. So bottom left here. I'd like to add this photo here, the Thanksgiving one. I'm going to tap Select in this top right-hand corner. And now I can select that photo. Again, you'll see the blue check mark that indicates that you've selected that photo. And again, you can include any other ones if you'd like as well. Tap the Share button. It's in the bottom left-hand corner and looks like a square with an arrow pointing up. So that's in the very bottom left corner of my screen here. I'm going to tap that. Scroll down until you see Add to Album. Click this, and now select the album that you wish to add it to. So I'm going to add mine to the test album. So those pictures have now been added. If you'd like to rearrange your albums, so I'm going to go back to albums again, select Edit, which is in the top right-hand corner. You can delete an album by tapping the red button. So I can delete this album if I'd like. And if you notice here too, it says, are you sure you want to delete the album? The photos will not be deleted. So you will delete the album, but the photos can still be found in the Photos tab along the bottom screen. So I'm going to click Delete Album. If you want to move an album, press and drag. So I can move my Twitter album down over here. I tapped the screen and dragged it down to where I wanted it to go. When you're happy with how your screen looks, tap Done again in the top right-hand corner of the screen. The last tab along the bottom is Search. You can search for places you've been, topics you photographed, and more, just by clicking the search bar on the top. So once you click it, that'll bring up your keyboard and you can search. You now know where your photos go after you've taken a picture and how to organize your pictures.